if the no audio sound is resolved after the update. So let's try to play a video here. Okay.
Back with another 20-minute recipe, the
All right.
best soy
As you
glazed
can hear
chicken.
it,
Season the chicken with salt and
the
pepper. Coat the
audio
chicken with a
was
thin layer.
restored. So hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. So in this video, we'll be checking on our laptop. Actually, we have an HP laptop here, and as you can see, um, I have played a video from YouTube, but as per checking, there is no audio that is coming out from the speakers. How do you solve this kind of problem? So, in solving this, uh, there are actually an easiest way, or the very first thing that you have to check is you need to check if the drivers are updated, and also you can also check the Windows update for drivers. So if we'll go to device manager and then check for the audio or the sound, so you can see here that there are no errors or any disabled drivers or device. So what's next is let's go to settings and let's check if there is an update for driver. So you can type here view optional updates. Alright, so as you can see here, there is driver updates. You can click on this. Then, so we have an important update here, which is the HP firmware. This is very important, guys. In any laptop, whether Acer, Asus, or any brand of laptops, if you receive this kind of update, please update because it will uh, improve your system, and also usually it solves the um, issues that you've encountered in the laptops. In our case, we have this no audio output, so most probably this is the solution for our problem. So just have to check and download and install. Right. So you just have to wait. Installing. So here, the firmware installation was successful. Please start the PC to complete the update. Alright, so so the other one was also completed. So we will just restart this computer. Then after that, let's try if the issue was resolved. Okay, so I'll be restarting this laptop. All right, so this is it. So this is where we are going to test if the no audio sound is resolved after the update. So let's try to play a video here. Okay.
Back with another 20-minute recipe, the
All
best
right,
soy
as
glazed
you can hear
chicken.
it,
Season the chicken with salt and
the
pepper. Coat the
audio
chicken with a
was
thin layer.
restored. So again, if you've encountered this kind of issue, no audio issue, in any kind of laptop or any computer, you just have to go to settings. Then from settings, just have to type view optional updates. Then from view optional updates, if you can see driver update here, you just have to um, click it and download and install. Then after download and install, restart your PC or laptop. Then after restart, just wait for the update to take effect to be installed. So after that, you can now test if the issue was resolved. So in this case, we have just resolved it. So I hope this video help you solve your issue with regards to no audio, and hopefully we can also share this video now to our friends so that we can also help them. And then please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, also like and follow, and also hit the notification bell for uh, our new videos so that you will be notified. So that's it for now. Thank you so much, guys, and God bless.
All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen